good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're gonna share to you my personal favorite recipe is my chicken adobo. It's a very common a recipe that is made of any kinds of or made any ways na makukook nila when it comes to chicken adobo. So I have my own recipe and I'm gonna share it to you. And please watch my video from the beginning now until the end. And for those they haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification button below para pwede kayong, in case you want to cook, you want to have a new recipe, you can find it from my YouTube channel. Thank you po. Maraming salamat at keep safe all the time. Good vibes everyone, and sending our love to all of you. And today is a little bit like cold outside, and I am craving for chicken adobo, and I'm gonna share to you guys my recipe. And maybe some of you or most of the Filipinos are very familiar to this cuisine, but maybe for those that is not Filipino one, you can see and share. I can share to you our recipe. And first, I have prepared actually all my ingredients here, very simple. And of course, I have one here, my chicken chopped. I didn't chop it very big because it's easy to bite. And I also have my diced garlic, my little calamansi, and I also pre-chopped my garlic and chopped of my onions. Karamihan po sa mga Filipinos, they don't add onions, but for me kasi meron siyang but sweet na component sa onions para mas masarap siya, malilamnam. At I also have one onions here na pang ano siya, garnish later. And I use ground pepper, any brands actually, not necessarily my this brand, hindi siya sponsor. And I also have put basil, pampalasa more. Kailangan natin siya ng pampalasa a little bit para sa mga kids, like especially me, I'm a mom of two. And for me, very important na maging ano siya, maging healthier ang kakainin ng mga kids ko. And I also use olive oil. You can use cooking oil as whatever you want. You prefer to use whatever is available at home. At of course, ang paborito nating Silver Swan. Again guys, it's not sponsored yet. Hello to Silver Swan. And I use white wine vinegar. It's actually not wine, it's just vinegar. A little bit lang po, kahit anong brand or in whatever vinegar you have at home, you can use that para mas maging kikin, nicer, tastier ang inyong simple adobo. And guys, let's start our cooking. Everyone is hungry now. And first thing, we're gonna heat our babantayan mo siya guys. Of course, hindi siya masusunog. And then now, we add immediately the ginger. And now we can put our onions. Niya over here guys. So like, naamoy pa lang, gusto niyo na kumain. Okay. And now, we will add our chicken. Let's just cover it. And now guys, nalagay ko na yung chicken na fry na siya. Nalagay na up. At saka tinakpan ko na lang siya guys para hindi siya dali mabilis nahulog at maluto siya ng mabilis when you cover it. Para yung steam niya, siya yung mismo nagluluto. And we have to put it, mix it na lang para sa other side maging yellowish din siya. So actually other recipes, kung gusto niyo maging mas malasa pa siya, pag hindi kayo nagmamadali, maybe overnight you have to you can also marinate it. But for me, for this recipe, you don't need to marinate it because nandyan na lahat ng sangkap. So, siya na mismo yung magmamarinate. So, we will just cover it and let it smear and cook. See guys, ang sarap ng amoy niya. Okay guys. It's time to, flip over sa other side. Kasi ina-achieve po natin na meron siyang yellow, matusta siya ng konti, like a little bit crunchy. Like that. Just flip over lang. And you see that it's a little bit yellowish na. So I need it from the other side. For the other side as well. And now, kasi mas masarap siya pag dry yung lasa niya. Kasi hindi siya yung ma-fishy yung lasa ng chicken mo. So now, I'm gonna add my favorite toyo. Hello Silver Swan. If you watch this video next time, sponsor. Thank you. Okay, pa-sponsor next time, Silver Swan. But I think most of the Filipinos, they all like Silver Swan. Because yung tama lang yung tama lang yung alat po niya. At saka talagang promise, masarap siya sa mga lasa. Dito sa Singapore, mahal ang Silver Swan kasi inaangkat siya. Of course, but if you want to have more tastier broad food, of course, doon ka na sa Filipino na nagiging mo na siya. Naging nakasanayan nyo na po. Ganyan siya. At saka now, bit by bit lang kasi akong naglalagay ng mga ingredients. Kasi mamaya pwede mo pa siyang ma-try, ma-change yung niya. And now I'm gonna put basil para pang malasa pa rin siya. Since I have in my kitchen, why not? If you don't have, it's okay. This is just optional, guys. Pero I have it, so okay, I'm gonna do it. Kasi promise guys, mas pinasarap yung lasa niya. So now, let's mix first. And this time, para hindi siya masunog lang ng masunog na hindi siya cook, I need to add a little bit of water. Water, please. And now we have to simmer it. Kulo-kulo lang siya para maluto siya. Kakaveran lang natin siya ng ano, ng cover niya. At guys, meron pa po akong isang nakaligtaan na ingredients, ang pinaka-importanting ingredients sa any chicken adobo. Filipino style adobo is our dahon ng laurel. Dahon ng laurel, guys. Dalawa lang siya. Lagay natin dyan sa mga kumukulong water na yan and cover it back. And let's just wait. Super bango talaga, promise. Hello, look at that, guys. Wow, kumukulo, and it's almost done na siya. Look at that. Wow. If you can only smell. I always say this because I promised you it's a very nice. Sana guys, i-try ninyo, and you can also tell me that you can tag me pag na-follow niyo yung ano ko, ingredients ko. You can tag me and say that you follow my recipe. Talagang malaman ninyo na the best siya. Kahit hindi na siya i-marinate, guys. Super sarap niya. Promise. And now, I'm gonna put my calamansi, which the special kiki siya. Nagpapalasa siya more. Lahat naman ng hilalagay ko, guys, talagang ang sarap niya. Nagpapasarap siya sa luto mo. And another, ang tawag nito, tip. Ang vinegar is nagkakakos yan ng something, kasi chemicals yung vinegar. Unless you will buy yung tuba, na hindi talaga siya kasi citric acid siya. Meron siyang mga chemicals. So later mo na siyang i-add sa pag malapit na yung maluto yung yung adobo mo. Pero for the time being, kalamansi lang muna para mag-penetrate yung asin niya sa ilalim ng meat niya para hindi siya masyadong kasi kahit paano gaano mo siya guys, gaano siya lutuin o hugasan yung chicken, meron talaga siyang amoy or aftertaste. Yun ang yun ang reason at saka para mawala siya. Yun yung ways, or not reason, yun yung way na magpapasarap at magpapawala. Calamansi po, guys, ang ilagay mo. Okay, calamansi is there. And now, it's also time to put our pepper. Ground pepper siya, guys. Any brands, ha? Ganito lang siya, guys. Ilalagay natin siya. Actually, kailangan ko siyang ita-turn, pero one man standing kasi itong nagluluto. Nawala na yung videographer ko. Meron siyang errands. Mami, kailangan wais. So, ganyan na lang. I-ano mo na lang sa hand mo. But, I also like it with more of pepper. Ang mga kids ko, guys, they like pepper, so it's fine. But, of course, if your kids doesn't like pepper, you can just put a little bit para pangpalasa lang siya, guys. Kasi meron ka ng bay leaf, yung laurel. At saka, guys, notice that, dry na siya. Yun ang ina-achieve ko po. Gusto ko siyang maging dry. And now, it's time to put sugar. A little bit lang, guys, para mag-contrast sa alat mo. Yan ang sikreto niya. I'm sharing you my secret. Kaya masarap siya. Isang maybe half teaspoon of sugar. Wow. Ano na siya? Nasa part na siya na malapit na tayong matapos sa niluluto natin, guys. Inaano lang natin yung apoy para hindi na siya masyadong masunog mabilis. Okay, guys. This time we have to add. It's time to add our vinegar. Kasi tingnan mo, guys, oh wow. And it's really, really amazing smell here. Kailangan na nating ilagay yung vinegar, guys. And it's just add a little bit. Mga 1 teaspoon lang siya. A little bit lang para makiki siya. At of course, yung garnish natin na onions, red onions na malaki siyang paghiwa. So para siya, para may decoration siya mamaya. At saka of course, pagkainin mo yung garlic, onions mamaya is manamis-namis siya. Believe me guys, it's very nice. Okay, and now it's time to mix them. Wow, look at that. Ito yung nagpapasarap dito. Oh. Yung kakarami kayo ng rice dyan. Wow. Ito yung panlasang Pinoy na may twist. So guys, look at that. Hindi mo na talaga siya maaano mamaya. At saka hindi na siya chicken taste. Anong parang may siya, may chickeny siya na taste. Hindi na yan matitaste mo mamaya. So guys, look at this. Oh, yung color niya, na notice mo. Wow. That's what I want to achieve, guys. Tingnan mo siya. Oh, pag ibabite mo mamaya, surely mapadami ka ng rice. I promise you. I hope I can have someone to follow my ingredients, my recipe, para ma-compare notes natin siya. And now we have to wait for a little while para ready na siya for serving for lunch. Cover it again and let it simmer for maybe 5 minutes and tapos na po siya, promise. At saka we will just put the fire in a medium. Actually it's a very small fire na lang para hindi siya maging matusta, and let it cook itself. Yung sariling oil niya na lang yung nagko-cook for at least 5 minutes, or maybe if you want to achieve more crunchier, maybe another 7 minutes, guys. And let's see our final product later, guys, for plating. And we're ready for our plating, guys. Nandiyan na siya, tapos na siya. Wow, look at that. I am very, very happy for lunch namin, guys. At sana masarap din yung kino-cook nyo today. And you can try this at home because talagang masarap siya at konti lang yung kailangan nyo, guys, na recipe. Pwede mo na lang siya i-modify, but if you have those ingredients that I have at home now, mas masarap talaga siya kung i-follow mo siya, guys. And you will enjoy, your family will enjoy. Look at the chicken. Maano na siya, guys. Konting side niya, meron na siyang tutong-tutong para siya tastier mamaya. So now we're ready. I'm gonna show you later my plating, final plating na, guys. And there you are, guys. Look at the chicken. Promise is very tasty. Talagang mapapa-more rice ka po. And enjoy your lunch now as much as I enjoying mine later. And always remember at this moment, guys, maulan na naman sa Pilipinas, marami na namang bagyong darating, but always remember there's no disaster that we cannot surpass with God's power. Talagang kailangan lang natin manalig, guys, at always remember God loves us all the time. Thank you for watching our videos. And please subscribe sa hindi pa naka-subscribe, and please press the notification button for any updates from us, guys, para pwede din kayong maka-cook as the way we cook, guys. And enjoy watching for other videos down also, guys. And please stay safe and have a good Saturday rest. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Good vibes lang po sa lahat. Bye.